Okay. Let me have similar example but different number. Is it okay? Then I will operate from head to tail, from A to Z again. Then you can learn, you can review the process again. Okay. Now. Okay. If I have the same situation, I throw a die. The next time I throw a die also 600 times. But this time I got different numbers. For example, I got one that is 110. The point of two that is 90. Point of three that 100 also. How about the 105? 95. Okay. I made up those numbers again. $1. Oh, maybe my brother $2. my brother $2 throws a die, then got the value that is 110, 90, 105, 95, 120, and 80, And now we want to know, is that die a fair die? And again. Okay, and okay, okay, I had better to change a different color than this. Okay, then we can go back to the formula. So where is my formula? Oh, here. Okay, the formula is here from the textbook, chapter 11.2. Chi-square equals the sum of observation minus the expectation. Take the value of the square, then divided by the expected value. Okay, now here we can start to operate. O minus E. O minus E. And click the cell. And back to this side, click equal. Okay, yep, any problem, let me know. If you all right to learn this process, do it yourself. Don't wait my process. Don't wait. You can go ahead. Right? This one. This time, the six areas of the die, that's 110, 90, 105. Okay, then expected value is 100 because we expected that is a fair die. Then observation minus expectation. Type of equal. Then click here. 110 minus 100. 110 minus 100. Is it okay? Then yes, click enter. One minute, please. Okay, then you can move the next one. Any question? and take the square value of it. Square value of it. Okay, then you get a value, right? Again, take a square value of it. Square value, you can type a pair of parentheses that is O minus E and take the square value. The header, this symbol is from the shift 6, your key, shift 6, and click 6. Sorry, okay, sorry, let me do it again. Here, we type the symbol equal on your keyboard and type a pair of parentheses. Then click the value here. Then move here. On your keyboard, shift number 6, you got this symbol. Okay? Okay. And because now we want to know the square value of this, right? Okay, here. No. Sorry, something wrong with this. Let me finish it. Square root. Then it's cube. Okay, enter. Got it. Okay, because the formula is here, we want to calculate that step by step. Okay, we already got the value of O minus E that is here. And now we are taking the square number of it, square value of it, and we type the title here, and the function is here. Click equal the symbol, and place the value in the pair of parentheses. That is D21. D21 means the D column, the 21 row, that is this value, this cell. Get it? Again. Okay. My purpose is try to calculate one by one. Okay. Because of the formula, I'm not the smart one to create this formula, but only the pioneers, the scientists created this one. Yep. After that. Okay. Are you okay? This part? Okay. Then how about this part? It's okay. So because we know the square value of 10 is 100. Get it? Then now you don't need to calculate by 6 times. You just click on the cell. There is a dot close to the cell. Move your mouse. Then the arrow becomes a cross. Hold the mouse key. Click and drag. Okay, and release. And automatically it calculates all value inside. Okay. Then the same situation. Click here and drag it. Click and release it. Done. Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. If you are familiar with the skill, you can go ahead. And if you want to review this process, I'm going to do that. Any question, please let me know. Okay. What is the next step? Yeah, you got it. Divided by the expectation. Divided the number, the square number of it, and I type here again, Control C to copy, here Control V to paste, and a slash, that it means division, the division symbol, a slash, then by E. Here is a reminder, it's not a real calculation, it's a reminder. Okay, okay. Then how can I do get the value divided by the expectation? Click here, and move to the function, the row, click, type the equal, the symbol. Then personally, it's okay, but you can click here. The number of this one, that's E21. It means this cell is on the E column, 21, 21st row. Okay, the number is here, and a slash on your keyboard. Slash means division, divided by a value. Okay, then I place the division here and click the E value. E value is here, expected E here. Click it here, okay? Okay. Then next step, click enter. You will get a value. Similarly, click the first cell, move your cursor close to the dot, and it comes across, a black cross, then click, hold the key, release it, done. Again, in the final exam, I will give you a table with a blank inside. Only the observation expected value here. Easy. Oh, in my final exam, you can use any kind of tools, any kind of devices that are allowed to use during the final exam. Okay, we know that now we are calculating. You don't need to calculate. Okay, we need to find the degree of freedom. Degree of freedom, the definition is very easy. The total number of samples now is 6 events. Subtract 1, minus 1, and we got 5. The same as previous one. But next class, I will teach you different. We use table. That is R by C, O2 by 2, O3 by 3 tables. Okay, and then it's a little bit complicated, but the similar principles. The degree of freedom, that is 5. That is 5. Okay, who can tell me how to calculate the number of the sum of those 6 numbers? $1 is easy. Let me tell you that 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 0.5, 0.5, that's 2.5 plus 4 plus 4. That is easy. Okay, you can calculate by your brain in a few seconds. But if you have a number set, that is 150 numbers. We use the function from the Google Excel. Click here and type equal. See, that is smart. That's smart. I think that the computer can detect my subtitle sum S-U-N automatically. Then the Google is really smart, and it gives me a suggestion like this. Let me check it. F21. F, the value, the first one, that is on the 21st row. F21st row until F column 26th the row. Okay, that's correct. That is correct. Then I click enter. I got a number of sum. Click enter. Okay, get it? The sum is 10.5. Degree of freedom, that is 5. If we set the 5% as the critical value, and we check the we check the chi-square value. That's 11.07. Excuse me. Again, let's check the value here. We set the critical value or the significant level, that is 0.05 here. And we check again, the chi-square value here, it depends on the degree of freedom. We have 6 numbers, thus 6 minus 1, the degree of freedom, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we got the number 11.07. 11.07. All right, I have a question. Do you think our number is greater than or smaller than 11.05? Sorry, 11.07. How do you think about it? Okay, then we move back to our Google Excel. Then the sum of the number is 10.5. That is smaller than this value. So we will say no significant difference from this die. We can say, okay, this die is a fair die because we have no evidence to show that it's cheating die. But in previous case, I made up those numbers. And the chi-square value is 82. It's much higher than 11.07. Then we can say, wow, this one is a weird. This one is a weird dice. Get it? Oh. Oh, I know, Warren, it's not hard for you. Okay, how about 2 minutes? Then we can move to next issue. Any question, please let me know. Two minutes, then I will show you a website. You can click, and get the answer. You don't need to do this. But just a reminder, in the end of the semester, I will give you the final exam, this kind of question. You need to know how to calculate O minus E, and the square value, and divided by E, and get this one. Okay, 1 minute. Excuse me. Okay, all right. Because this kind of equation, to calculate the p-value, the formula is really ugly. You don't need to memorize it. You just need to know how to calculate. It's okay. And now I'm using a powerful tool. Look like this. And you can find the website here. That is called the chi-square calculator. Chi-square calculator in few steps. Oh, not this one. Okay, now here category. Okay, you can check this. You can check my website here after the die. Then you can check the link. It's from I use GraphPad, compare observed and expected frequencies. You can click here, or I'm going to copy and paste it to our online group. Well, okay, got it. Then, okay, I have this. Okay, now I'm going to run this example. Category 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm done. Okay, then I made up those numbers. If the observed value of the first one, that is 50, 60, 100, 100, 140, and 150. Okay, then we can type the expected value. Assume that is a fair die. There is a fair die. Then that should be 100, 100, 100. Okay, got it? Okay, let me stop here. Get the website. Okay, you can find the link from here. The symbol here. I made up those example here, and the link is here. Go to my syllabus. Check May 29th. The example is here. In our language, there is a old saying. It's called 先苦后甘. It means you need to working very hard first, then you will harvest with your smile. Okay, then check this. Okay, how many students cannot find this website? Raise your hand. This website. Got it? Okay, good. Then move to. Okay, then type the value here. Done. Okay. Then I think you will know the next step is click calculate now. And double check the number is correct. So please double check the numbers are correct, and you can click calculate now. And click calculate now. Then what you get, that is chi-square equals 82.000 with 5 degrees of freedom. Then to tell the p-value is less than 0.001. Okay, what does it mean? What does it mean? After you use this kind of tool, it means, okay, the die is a weird die. The die is a strange die. The die could be a cheating die because the p-value is 0.001. Oh, excuse me. Okay, please run this step. Any question, please let me know. Then we will move to next step very soon. Okay, if you finish this part, please do me a favor. You may type the number of this value and tell me the p-value. You can type, I made another example here. We believe that the p-value is not significant. Again, I encourage everyone to write all processes, take a screenshot for the pictures on your screen and copy paste on your blogger, your personal website. That is important. In the future, you will be benefited from the website made by you. Okay. In our language, we have one saying, listen to the elders. Because I'm experienced. In the future, if I have any chance, I will promote your website. Don't worry, I will not make something better for you. When I promote your website, it means your website is good and you deserve to be promoted. Remember. Okay, this one just one way, and it's easy to operate. And next class, I will tell you 3 by 3. An example that is very good. That is very good. It's better than the example from our textbook. So I will use the website from the YouTube. Okay, any question from the example? Yes, sir. How can I do for you? Okay. Sure. In the future, when you got your degree, then you serve in a company, then you don't need to calculate the process here. But if you want to proofread it to make sure no mistake during the process, you can use it this way. Otherwise, you just use the website application, type the numbers carefully, one by one, carefully double check it, then click, then you get the answer. Then you can tell your boss, yes, sir, yes, madam, the significance is not significantly different. So we reject this. We will not develop this project or to develop this market. Okay, if no more question, I think we can have a 10-minute break earlier, then we will go back because next class, I will switch to different issue because there are 3 kinds of chi-square tests. We just finished the goodness of fit, and the best example is throwing a die. And next, we will observe different. There's a 3 by 3 is a little bit complicated. Okay, have a 10-minute break, then we will come back. Hey, Jaza, I will check your attendance.